Hello everyone! Hello mga suki! Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nanood, nag-like, nag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel at higit sa lahat sa mga bumili ng Zoila and Sofia merchandise sa Shopee and Lazada. Maraming salamat po. Today, we're going to discuss about Deoproce Black Garlic, Argan, and Snail Recovery Soap. Let's discuss about Deoproce Black Garlic Soap. It's an anti-aging soap with black garlic extract. It is suitable for all types of skin, including damaged skin. It weighs 100 grams. The ingredients includes black garlic, which strengthens and restores skin, collagen, which protects the skin from dehydration, hyaluronic acid that smoothens the skin. Let's discuss about Deoproce Argan Soap. This soap contains natural argan oil, suitable for all skin types, including mature, sensitive, and damaged skin. Argan oil has a multifunctional effect that increases the elasticity of the skin. It provides hydration and skin rejuvenation. Also, it has anti-sebum effects. This can help treat several different types of acne and promote a smoother and calmer complexion. Let's discuss about Deoproce Snail Recovery Soap. The snail mucus ingredient has a powerful restoring effect that boosts skin regeneration. It moisturizes skin and lightens skin tone. This is suitable for all types of skin, including damaged skin. Expiration date is indicated in the box, but please note that the shelf life is 36 months before opening and 12 months after opening. All you need to do is to create lather and then apply it to your face or any parts of the skin. Gently massage it to your skin with a circular motion before rinsing with water. Make sure you don't scrub so hard so that it won't irritate the skin. Let's go to frequently asked questions. What are the differences between the three soaps? I have created a table for your reference. Please take time to read to know more about the details. What should I do after washing? You can use toner if you can still feel that the dirt or sebum are not fully removed yet. Always moisturize after cleansing. Are there any tingling effect after washing? Mild tingling may be experienced when using black garlic soap, but it will disappear in a few seconds. Deoproce products are available in Shopee and Lazada. Please check the description below for more details. If you have questions, please feel free to ask. Maraming salamat. Hanggang sa muli. Bye!